Hi, my name is Jim McCann with Shopsmith. We had a customer email us the other day asking how to cut a 4x8 sheet of plywood into 8-inch wide strips, 8 foot long. Now I've set up the machine here. This is a Model 500 just like he has, for 8 inches from the fence to the blade. Notice the fence is sitting on the extension table, but it's also partially on the main work table. Remember safety, always use your guard, take off rings and watches, have sleeves above the elbows, and don't forget your safety glasses. To saw a piece of wood this size, you need a large workshop, at least 24 feet long. Now, most people don't have that, so myself, I'd have to take it out on the driveway. Now that you've seen the cut on the old Mark V, you new owners are asking, how do I do that on my Mark VII? Well, we've got it set up here. I've got 8 inches to the blade. You can see that the extension table is to the right of the fence, and the fence is still straddling both tables. And everything's locked down. Remember safety, safety glasses, saw guards, no rings, jewelry, sleeves above your elbow, and we're ready to make the cut. We still need a support stand. I still need a helper to move the sheet of plywood over to the saw.